Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from the kitchen of Meals with Mills. Tonight I'll be making chicken corn soup, which is a very quick and easy soup to make. I will have the full recipe available in the description below, so please check it out. Let's start cooking. The ingredients that we will be using for our soup: I have cream corn, 2 cans, 1 can of corn kennels, chicken stock, corn flour mixed with water, light soy sauce, minced ginger, minced garlic, mirin, 2 eggs, and chicken pieces, thigh pieces or thigh fillets, as well as spring onions. First of all, add a little bit of oil to the pan. Add your ginger. Bit of garlic. And then add the chicken. Okay, we're going to add our mirin. Add the rest of the ginger. Light soy sauce. Next we're going to add our corn. And now adding our cream corn. And then our stock will go in now. Chicken stock. Just start with adding a little amount first. About 1.5 cups I've added. Put our lid on and let it simmer on low heat or medium heat, and then we will add the rest of our ingredients. Add our corn flour, and at this stage I'm going to add our eggs. So I will add it in, and then I will go with my knife and just cut through the soup, just like that, just to cut through the eggs as I'm adding inside. We will add our spring onions last. We are done. And there's our quick and easy chicken corn soup. Okay, it's time for us to taste our soup. It is very hot.
Very nice.
A nice quick soup. So thank you for watching. Take care. I will see you again. Bye for now.